Okay, today's the day I've been waiting for a long time. And not just a couple of weeks that I waited to get these results. Like, I'm telling you, I've wanted to know this for so long. I've just received my AncestryDNA results, which I'm so freaking excited for, Charlie. We're gonna find out. I was talking to Charlie there for a second. I should address you. We're about to figure out what my background is from what I've told my whole life, that I'm Maltese, Icelandic in me, Scottish, and Irish. Up until this exact point in my life, I've always been saying those results. We're about to figure out if that is in fact true. I just got this email that said, your AncestryDNA results are in. God, this is so nerve-wracking but exciting. Daniel. No, this is legit when it's using my full name. I also got an email saying, and when I filmed the first half of this video, I did tell you guys that I checked the box. If anybody out there has DNA, shares my DNA, I want them to alert me. And they did. So I got a message, and this is slightly concerning, saying, you and another member share DNA. It's either a parent or a child. To my understanding, I don't have a child. Hello, Daniel. This test is shown to match as Dan Roto. Let's discover my DNA story, baby. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god, I was right. What the? Okay, let's take this in bits because I'm seeing a lot of information here. Sicily. Guys, am I Italian? First off. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, this is insane. 26% of Dan Roto is Europe West, which would be Belgium, France, Germany, Netherlands, Switzerland, Luxembourg, and Liechtenstein. And links you to these specific regions. Scotland. Boom! Check that off, I was right. Majority of me is from West Europe. Charlie, this is amazing. We need to get in touch with my culture. Let's keep going. This is actually a lot of fun. 23% of me is Great Britain. So England, Scotland, Wales. Then we have 13% of me is from the Iberian Peninsula. Never even heard of that. Spain and Portugal. Whoa, whoa. Stop right now. I could be Spanish or Portuguese. I've never in my life been told that I'm Spanish or Portuguese. However, I've been told I look Spanish. Scandinavia. Boom, Iceland. Oh wait, that's not Iceland. Hold on, I thought Iceland was Scandinavian. Char, I may be Swedish, man. This is like a lot of information. What is this down here? 1725. What the flip? Honest to God, guys, this is literally blowing my mind right now. Dated back to 1725. I've got family ties in 1750 to Scotland and Sicily. And then European South, which is Italy and Greece. But Malta would be included in that, so I'm gonna take that as Maltese. But imagine I'm Greek. This is opening some new doors for me. Oh, let's view our matches. Okay, so we have my dad. They have literally matched my immediate parents with this DNA match. And I've got my mom here. Close family, that's my grandpa and that's my aunt. Confidence is extremely high. Look at this. All of a sudden, I now have 154 fourth cousins or closer. I actually wonder how many of you guys might actually be my cousin. From my spit alone, they were able to tell my exact parents, my grandfather, my aunt. Guys, I'm gonna do a fun little game with this. I'm about to go over to my parents' house, and I'm gonna do a little game show style game. My brothers and my mom. Unfortunately, my dad has to work, but I cannot believe AncestryDNA was able to get all this from my spit. Let's go over to my parents' house. I wanna do this game show and see how well my family knows their history and what they think I'm built as. Okay, but before we get over there, this is an official warning that I do have 3 brothers, that we all have different personalities, and I also come from a loud family. That's your warning. Let's go.
His bad side's the other side.
He's trying to move. Should I put a sweater on?
Oh my god.
Why is that gotta be your seat? Because you go bad side?
No, because why do you have to move?
Bookends. That way it's not too grazed.
I'm the only one cooperating.
I've been here since 10, please. Yeah, right.
This guy asked for a higher angle. Where's Chris? No, I'm sitting there.
Yeah, Brad, get.
Holy crap.
Can you stop flexing the whole video?
I'm not flexing.
Moving forward, you guys look at that camera and I'll look at this camera. Look at that, as if I'm behind the camera.
Who said that? Who said that?
Okay, so I've made it to my parents' house. We've got my mother, Cheryl. My brother, Scoots. His name's Brad. We have Andreas Bocelli. And we've got Squids. Chris, Andrew, Brad, Cheryl. We're doing a game show for real cash.
Cash money.
None of you guys care. Every question will be worth $10. Here in front of me, I've got my AncestryDNA results. Closest person gets the money. What 4 backgrounds make up DANOCRACY? And by the way, whatever answer I see first is the final answer. This ain't comedy hour for Scooter, right?
You see first?
You wrote Earth. Andrew, we need to get a color that the camera can see, damn it.
Can we pause? You can't see this.
Chris, give me your pen.
I want it back though.
Wait, I gotta share with this guy?
Mom, can I please see your answer? Can you please read it out? Because I can't, I'm beside you.
Great Britain, Scandinavia, Italy, and Malta.
Italy. Scooter, can you please turn your answer around? Oh, he's doing the classic. Oh, it's upside down? I didn't even know.
What a silly guy. He's so silly.
Scotland, England, Scandinavia / Iceland, I guess. Irish.
Irish, English, Maltese, and Icelandic.
I got Maltese, United Kingdom, Ireland, Iceland.
The answer is Great Britain, Ireland.
Oh yeah!
Guys, guys, you don't have to check it. Scandinavia.
Yeah, I
Mom, what do you got?
I got knocked up, didn't put Ireland, but I got Scandinavia.
Scotland. The first $10 goes to Scooter. Scooter. Next question. From what place is my highest percentage? Chris, can you please show your answer to the camera?
England.
Someone's been peeping. England.
Someone's been peeping. England.
Someone's been peeping.
This is
That's so lit.
Are all incorrect. Round 2. Please give me your secondary answer. Brad, go ahead and show us your answer.
Someone's been peeping. England.
I just told you England was wrong.
For the
Okay,
most.
we gotta
This is, I think it's the second most.
Brad's disqualified.
Scooter, yeah, boy. Oh, Irish.
Incorrect.
Oh.
Ding, 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 ding. Mom got the right answer. My number 1 is Scotland. I am the most Scottish. Removing the core 4. What other ethnicities do you think I could be?
I think that the Danocracy is part Asian.
Brad.
Well, I think that he's actually North African.
I mean, that's what I'm told.
Scandinavia.
Chris?
Boom. Eastern European.
None of you guys get the question. Mom, can you show me your answer, please? What does it say? France. Brad.
Wales.
What happened right here, though?
That's Wale.
German.
German. Chris?
Versace, Italian.
You guys are all incorrect.
I was never correct.
What other countries?
This is round 3 for the same damn question. Look at me. Everybody take a look at me right now. What do you see? Write it down. Andrew, show us your answer.
Spanish, so from Spain.
Finnish,
What's a
because you
What's a
come from
language?
Iceland, so it could be.
What's the
very-
country?
Finland.
Very good.
Poland.
Denmark. We do have a winner on the couch, folks.
Really?
And the winner is Andrew! Congratulations, Andrew. You just won yourself $10. This one will be fastest answer wins because I anticipate all you guys will get it. AncestryDNA has managed to track a migration from our ancestors. Which place, city, we're talking city, did our ancestors migrate from at one point? What did Chris write?
Dublin.
Devon, England.
Sicily and
Barcelona.
the winner is Mom. Hey!
That's
Yep.
a total guess.
That's the game, folks. Hey, thank you guys for playing.
Thanks, Dan.
It's good.
Okay, so there you guys have it. Not only are those my results, but that's also my family. And a lot of you guys have never actually seen my family, and like that's the dynamics that we have. I want to take the time right now to say a huge thank you to AncestryDNA for sponsoring this video. They've allowed me to finally put to rest the question of what is my background. If you guys at home would love to try an AncestryDNA kit, you can get them right now for $129 on www. I just said www. Who says that? On ancestry.ca/danocracy, and it comes with absolutely everything that you need inside of the kit. It has the ability to predict the location of a person's ancestors from more than 150 ethnicity regions, which is amazing because it's kind of like looking into a time machine and seeing what your ancestors did like hundreds of years ago. Not only that, it could also introduce you to new family members whom you have no idea you're even related to. Now, over 6 million people have done this test, which means there's a ton of potential for you to have a DNA match. This video, I've been very public about what my results have been. When I was filling out this kit, I checked off saying that if there was a relative that they would be able to match with me. Now when you're doing the test, you guys have the option to remain completely anonymous, and you can keep your family tree or ethnicity completely private. Now I do have an extra AncestryDNA kit right here. In fact, this is the exact one that I'll be giving away. I will be shipping this out to a lucky Canadian. If you live in Canada and you'd love to enter this contest, all you have to do is go on my Instagram or Twitter and post the 4 flags or the core 4 that you think you are. I'll then randomly pick a winner and I will ship you this exact kit. This one right here, this AncestryDNA kit. And again, thank you so much to my friends at AncestryDNA for sponsoring this video and allowing me to have such fun and incorporate my family in my content. So it's all been super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.